McMahon Stadium, home of the Calgary Stampeders Canadian Football League team, was built in 103 days in 1960. It was built and replaced the dilapidated McMahon Stadium as the Stampeders' home field. The first game at McMahon Stadium would be played on August 15, 1960, and the Stampeders would lose that decision 38-23 against Winnipeg. McMahon has been the site of 5 Grey Cup contests in 1975, 1993, 2000, 2009, and 2019. Other events that have taken place at the stadium over the years include a Queen Elizabeth II visit in 1990, opening ceremonies of the 1997 World Police and Fire Games, 2011 NHL Heritage Classic, Lilith Fair, and other concerts, including acts like Beach Boys, Bob Seger, Chicago, the Doobie Brothers, the Eagles, Supertramp, and Alabama.